Welcome to part 3 of the new Plymouth District Council iSight interactive touch tables. We're going to go into food and drinks here, and I'm just selecting restaurants. It's brought up a list on the left hand side once again and highlighted all the restaurants on the map. Just selecting one of them centers the map on the actual restaurant, and then we can view a picture of it and the details. To find another restaurant, we can either scroll up and down and find one we like the look of, or we can click on the map and that brings up the details of the restaurant we clicked on. Now we can zoom in once again on any screen. If we want directions, just click on get directions, and you can see it's zoomed out and showed the directions on the map, as well as bringing up a list. Right, to view another one, I can click on it on the map, bring up the details, and zoom in a little bit on that area, and then if I'd like to see the countryside around there, I can click on satellite. And get a good feel for where it is. Zoom in a little bit more. Right, let's get directions on that. When you click on get directions, it zooms out so you can see the full path. And as usual, we get the list. Let's bring that down, and you can see the path quite clearly from Google. Let's go into events now. We can choose any event in the future between dates or by category. I'm going to choose just a few different categories here. Here's an exhibition, the Lenlai exhibition coming up at Covered Brewster. We see a nice image of that. Remember, you can spin any of these windows or rotate them for people viewing from the other side. Finally, I'm going to search, and you can search for an individual property, or you can say get directions, and I've chosen to come from here, Pukeriki, to Inglewood, which you can type in on the touchscreen typewriter. And then I click search, and it's brought up the directions as usual, showing them on the map. I'll just change it to map so we can see it more clearly, and there we can print the directions. This is the print preview it brings up with the directions below. The system will automatically reset after a few minutes. To start a new session, just click on new session.